Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H7 Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to pair it with our smartphone. Well, we will connect it with the support app, and it is using the Laxasfit application that is available on Android and iOS platform. On this video, we are going to pair it with our Android smartphone. So if you are interested to know the process on how to connect it with a smartphone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video tutorial or video demo useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and pair or connect our H7 smartwatch with the Laxasfit application. So we have here our Android smartphone. We already searched it earlier on our Google Play Store. As you can see here, we do have the Laxasfit app. So to download the app, just tap on install. It's now pending. Let's wait for the completion of download, and it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. So let's wait. And we have here, it's now installing. Okay, so the installation is complete. Let's open the application Laxasfit. Let's open the app. So Laxasfit application. So agree to the privacy policy and user agreement. Okay, allow Laxasfit to access this device's location while using the app. Okay, allow. So we have here some permissions. If you don't want to use your Bluetooth call or push notifications, you can disable this one. In our case, we'll have a demo, so we'll allow it. Okay, allow for the GPS as well as the notifications and the phone call, manage phone calls for the Bluetooth call support. Then I have read and agreed. You can log in or register. We'll log in directly. So we have here an account and a password. Record this one. You can use it to log in again. Okay. Then okay. Complete your profile. Put this on the side first. Let's focus on the app. So we'll just put a fictitious name here. Okay. And okay. Set successfully. Laxasfit once turned on the Bluetooth. So we will allow it. It's now enabling. Okay, enable notification permission. Go to set. Look for the Laxasfit app and activate. On, toggle it on. Allow. Okay, go back. Go back again. Then you have here the My section. Then add device. It will look for our smartwatch. So let's wait for it. So we have here smartwatch EF74. We also have here 76 3D. Let's make it sure. Let's check our wearable here. Go to the settings. Then look for the about section. General here. Then about. We have EF74. So this is our smartwatch here. It's now connecting. Let's wait. If you're having a hard time pairing it or connecting to the smartwatch, you can remove some of the devices that is using the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, EF74. I think we are already paired. Pair the Bluetooth here. So let's check the device settings here. Find device, and we have here. And we are connected. Earlier, we already set our permissions for the push notifications. So let's double check. As you can see here, let's disable some of the apps. Alipay, will not use this one. Twitter. Okay, then tap on OK. Then go back. Let's add a phone number. Do we have a phone number addition here? Synchronize time. Go back. Phone book. Then let's add one. Import. We'll use this. Okay. Refresh. Synchronizing contacts. Please wait. If everything is okay, if the connection is okay, it will be added here in our smartwatch. Phone, contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so everything is set here for our H7 smartwatch. It is now connected to our phone and the Laxasfit app. So that's it on the process on how to pair or connect your H7 smartwatch with the Laxasfit application on Android smartphone. If you have any questions regarding the setup, or drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.